Now, where was the Declaration of Independence signed? At the bottom of the page. How can you drop a raw egg onto a concrete floor without cracking it? Any way you want. Concrete is quite hard to crack. Can we let someone else answer? Thank you. Sir, can I ask you a question? You just did. Can I ask you 2 questions? You just did. Can I ask you 4 questions? No. Why? You did. Just now. Why do you have coffee every day, sir? Are you gonna die without it? No. But you might. Sir, can you please help us out on what to study for the exam specifically instead of just saying the whole textbook?
No. No, I don't think I will.